Hello. Okay. So we were here the last time. Okay. So this code, I coded this exercise, but it doesn't work. Let's refresh this page. And by the way, I am running experiments. I have like 10 minutes to go in and take a recording. But I'll be like on and off. So, but it's the consistency. Doing this every day is more important than, doing this perfectly. In the beginning, when you're breaking in something, quantity is more important than the quality because we are building a habit. Okay, so let's look at, the way we formulated this problem is, first, there are three different conditions. If there are numbers in your hand, the number is equal to its number value. If it's J, Q, and K, then each one of these are equal to 10. So what I did for this is in hand, hand one nums, integer, if LM is a digit in hand one, then convert it to integer and put it in the list of hand one nums. And then you sum up all the numbers in the list. Do the same thing for 2. And then for faces, take a value from faces from hand 1 and assign it to object faces 1. If faces 1 is equal to k, q, or j, string, those are all strings, then put it as face 1. And then hand 1 face total is equal to length of this hand 1 faces list times 10. So if there are 2 elements in the list, let's say k and j, then the length is 2 and 2 times 10 is 20. Okay, do the same thing for hand 2. And finally, look for aces in hand 1. If hand 1 the total value of numbers in the hand 1 and total face values in the hand 1, the sum of those two, if it's less than or equal to 10 and length of aces or the number of aces is equal to 1, let's do this, less than or equal to 1, then hand 1 aces total is, okay, this part is buggy because if there's no aces, this would just put 1 instead. coil is times 11. Invalid syntax. I want to go to this exercise. Loops and list comprehensions. Hmm. 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 Okay, we cleared this here. We cleared this here. Now we have a problem here. Let's leave this here and see. This is not defined. Hmm. Okay, it works. I have 1 minute 40 seconds. Expected return value of true given hand 1 is 3 to 9, but got false. Sorry, I have to call Bahar. Okay. So, problem here is that simply, so it makes, this gives this error for this simple case. Some, so no aces in this case and no faces. So no faces seem fine. If this is an empty list, then this will be 0. This will be 0. If this is an empty one, so hand 1 number total plus hand 1 face total is equal or less than 10. And and if length of aces is less than or equal to 1, then do this. Length of aces times 11. So if it's 0, so here, one, two. Just wait. I won't pause. Just wait. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. And to number total and to face total. Hmm. So this will look into that list, 3 and 9. I will check if it's a digit, and then it will put it in here as 3 and 9. And then this will be 12. And for the other one, this will be 8. Then it will run this one. And we'll add in here. And then we'll take the length of this and multiply it by 10. And then we'll look into aces. And we'll only put this in the list if aces equals string A. And then if the, the hand one number total plus hand one face total is less than or equal to 10. So our first one doesn't satisfy this. And sorry. Okay, so another bug here, because if this is false, then it will automatically do this. However, this should have been Oh, wait. Hmm. If hand 1 is less than 21 and hand 1 is greater than hand 2, okay, this is true, 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 is true, or hand 2 is greater than 21. This is false, true or false, it's true, and return true. Okay, for the sake of time, I will move into the solution. This problem is a lot easier to solve if you define at least one helper function. The logic for calculating a hand's total points. I don't understand. What is the helper function? Okay, let's look at how he did. Helper function to calculate. Writes another function. The total points of a blackjack hand. Total is 0. Aces is 0. Count the number of aces and deal with how to apply them at the end. Yes, because this is the tricky part. For card in hand, if card in J, Q, K, okay, if for card in hand, if card is JQ or K. If card in JQK, if card is in this list, then add 10 to the total. If card is A, then aces plus 1. Else, total plus int card. Okay, same logic as I did, but a lot simpler. At this point, total is the sum of this hand's cards, not counting aces. Add aces, counting them as 1 for now. This is the smallest total we can make for this hand. Total plus aces. Upgrade aces from 1 to 11 as long as it helps us get closer to 21 without busting, while total plus 10 is less than 21 and aces is greater than 0. Upgrade an ace from 1 to 11. Okay. Okay. This is a clever way to calculate. Okay. Okay, if total 1 is less than or equal to 21 and total 1 is greater than total 2, or total 2 is okay. Okay, it's making a mistake somewhere. I don't know. 2 minutes. Okay. So instead, main difference is it defines another function to calculate the total of hand. And instead of dealing with aces, immediately it just calculates the number of them. And at the end, it follows this method if when you add 10, so it already, and then it adds just the number of aces. So if there's still room to add 10 more points, it means that then you can upgrade 1 ace. And then you decrease 1 from aces, the total number of aces. And this loop will continue until this is false. Okay, I will go back in like 45 seconds, but I will come back and then try to apply the same logic. Hmm. Okay. Good. We added the number of aces into the total. And now it will only do this if aces are more than 0. Okay. And Hmm. Okay, I don't have much time. I know, like, these days I'm not doing so good, but as I said, I mean, I'm not doing so good in terms of um, completing units, but I'm a PhD student. I have a lot of things to do, and the most important thing is the consistency. So as long as I'm doing this every day, as long as I build this habit, I'll be fine because the opportunity will come. I'll have more time. I can focus. I'll have chance to focus on this a lot more. So it's good. Okay, that's all. That's all for today.